Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back. I hope you're having a good day wherever you are. Now I want to talk about SingularityNet, the ticker symbol's AGIX. Some of you wouldn't know. My very first video I put out was about this coin. Now I said that the market, it was oversaturated. Everyone was talking about it. It topped out on the 7th to 8th of February, which is also when the Google Trend Analytics also topped out. Smart money was taking profits here. If we flip to the weekly time frame, you can see we had that topping tower candle there. Now, you can see that it was oversold when I made that video. It was about, I think, 45 cents. We were trading, we did have a breakout from a symmetrical triangle. It did break out to the upside. But it recently, if you grab a Fibonacci retracement tool, extend it across, you can see it perfectly got rejected from that 0.5 level, the Fibonacci golden pocket, right around that 54-cent level, and now it's been pulling back. It's looking like it's going to come into contact with that 50-day moving average. As you can see, it's been a long time, 3 months before we've last touched it back down when it broke out at those lows around 5 to 6 cents. Currently that bearish divergence is playing out as we speak. Now if we flip to the weekly time frame again, your very first key support level is 29 cents. I expect once it breaks 38 cents, now if it does break 38 cents, guys, I do expect a lot of downside, so do be warned. Keep a stop loss at that level, or just set an alert, just watch it, because I do expect a lot of downside here, so I don't want anyone. I know a lot of people have brought into this, a lot of people have probably potentially brought this top, as I expect, because the mainstream narrative, they just pushed it down everyone's throats. Now we can also see the stochastic RSI momentum is dropping. So when red's on top, bearish price action. When green's on top, expect bullish price action. We could have something like this where the momentum just goes all the way down to the bottom, or we could have something like this. So just keep an eye out for that. Just put the stochastic RSI in. Now, the RSI, yes, it was overbought. It is now starting to come back into the 70 range, so it still is currently overbought as we speak. If we flip to the daily time frame to see these volume pockets, so like I said, your very first one's 38 cents. If that fails to hold, I expect to pull back down to 29 cents. That's about a 25% pullback. So from 38 cents down to this level, about 23.36%. Now, if we were to pull back from this level all the way down to that 22-cent level, we're talking about a 42% fall. So my very first area to watch would be that 29-cent level. If that fails to hold, and I will expect it will fail, because you can see not many people brought this. It's a very small pocket. That's why it surged so quickly. Same thing back here. Once it had that breakout, it pushed up very quickly. Then it had that sideways bullish consolidation before that next surge up to that high, where it had that double top at that 60-cent level. Now, if we fail to hold that 29-cent level, I expect 22 cents. Now, you could play that for a swing. If you're bullish for this crypto long term, you could buy at 22 cents. But if that fails to hold, your next level of support's around 17 cents. And if that doesn't hold, I really do see that 6-cent level is on the card again. So we potentially could go all the way back down to these lows. As you can see, it acted as support, then it flipped into resistance, and it kept trying to smash through that 6-cent level, but it couldn't until here, the 9th of January, and it surged right up into that volume pocket there, where it had lots of volume traded. Now, if we're to fall all the way down to these levels, guys, just keep an eye out. If you want to take 50% off the table here, if you've made profits, it's a very smart move, because Jerome Powell's talking tough at the moment. He's saying that interest rates are going to stay high. You know, we potentially could see 1 or 2 more 25 basis point hikes. I really do think we're at the close end to the pausing. I don't expect there's going to be much more rate increases. I think he's just trying to jawbone the market. He's just trying to talk tough and try and smash down stocks, and commodities took a big hit yesterday as well. Cryptos took a hit. The dollar had a big increase, the DXY. That's the reason why lots of these markets are starting to pull back here in the last couple of hours. So I just want to get this video out, guys. Just keep an eye out for those levels. Rewatch the video. Just watch those levels. And anyway, guys, make sure you hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the very next video. GameX out. Peace.